Okay, so following on from my recent series of looking at little small TVs like the little Casio LCD and the other Brooke Sonic CIRT or whatever it was, there's another one now. If you were a very affluent person in 1989, this is what you would have had sitting beside your bed to wake you up in the morning. Yes, this little pine 4.5 inch black and white TV clock radio. Ah, the stylishness of it. The affluence. Yeah. Anyway, this is what people had. I don't know. Don't think I want to be woke up by a TV. There's nothing on the telly anymore anyway. However, I'll just give you a quick look at this. So, she's an alarm clock, she's a radio, and she's a little television. So it's everything you'd ever want. Yep. So, what's to do? Plug it in and see what it does as we do. I like the way that's wired. No cord grip for me. Does appear to be on. Oh! Haha! Let's see. Do. That'll do, Grant. Oh yeah, not too shabby. Don't think I want to be playing me Nintendo or whatever on it. Yeah. Pretty cool. I wonder what the radio like. Ugh. Start later. And of course you probably need a degree in astrophysics to work out how to set the time on it, but yeah, there you are. Fine, 4.5 inch black and white TV clock radio. The style, the affluence. Right, there you are. Another useless relic from the 80s. Good luck.